Hello guys, welcome back. This is Rumbus58. I like to announce that why am I just balls, right? Well, the reason is that I'm playing a rip-off version of Big Scary or a Big Scary fan game called Monkey Horror. You're probably wondering why not Monkey Horror game? It's because this one's different. Look at the
Bruh.
floor texture. And I bet you this one lost players because look at this. Flashbang. Hold up, let me check. Flashbang. See how bright that was? What's in here? I swear I heard an entity. This is probably the fan art room. This, this, and this. Okay, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna get a virus. And you're probably wondering where that noise is coming from. Let's go to the entities. Alright. Jimmy, the level 1 monster, off-brand Mark. Timmy, the level 2 monster, the off-brand dude from Big Scary. The pit, it's just a pit. Bobby, and yeah. There's so many other entities. It's basically just a rip-off of Big Scary.
Bruh.
And once again, I'm trying to be quiet. There's so much around the map. If you want to get the game, it's still playable. You just won't be able to be online. Also, look at this. Yeah, they were. Yeah, this is just off-brand Big Scary. Oh, that was my little brother. Anyways, tomorrow I might make a video with him. So I'm just gonna speed run this game. Also, the texture is so bad. But the speed is real good. The only thing that's missing from these entities of off-brand Big Scary are the jump scares. This game used to get like so many players. You cannot mute this music. And another thing, this game only has 5 levels, and it's probably just a ripoff of the Big Scary, of like the old version. Like this. The entity in this room is in here. This is first, this is second. I know the 7 is last. Page 2. I'm not being all that. Good try though. Do not tell Average Monkey to play this because he will not like it. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna end my speed run because basically I forgot the code. So don't be here saying what's the code again because I do not know it anymore because I haven't played this game. And let me show you what the player would look like once played. Let me just get a. Oh, I would have died to the pit. It would have been a lot more easier, but yeah, never mind. I would do that anyways. They had a next spot, but the sad thing is, They all don't work. They literally don't work. I mean, the monkey in the level 2 is green. And that dude was brown. Next spot is that they all don't work. I don't know if they're all broken still. Sorry about that. That's they're being annoying. Oh no, they work. It's just that they're really loud. And here is just back rooms. There's no entities in here.
Probably wondering why the rest of the clip just got decompunged or whatever the fuck I just said. But the reason is that the rest of the other video got frozen. Like right when I was watching it to see if there was any bugs, yeah, there was, and the rest of the other footage was just frozen. So yeah, we're just gonna skip that, and yeah, so bye bye.